What's good, fam? Welcome to another video. If we haven't met yet, my name is Ted and I talk bass. This channel is all about tips, tricks, and tutorials for what I like to call the blue-collar bass player. I know it's been a minute since I dropped a video, but this is from a man's Bird, Fleece, and Wayne. They were talking about this tune in a little Instagram chat, and I really think the best way to deliver this to them, to you, if you're so interested, is to make a quick video. And this is for the middle section of Sir Nose Devoid of Funk, obviously Parliament. To avoid the copyright claim, the copyright strike, I'm just going to play it. Ah, that's wrong. Let's do it again. I just learned it myself. Now, I could be not mishearing something on that first part. The way that I played it at first was, so we starting on D, and that way that I played it just now would be A, C, D, and then coming down root fifth octave, and then A, B, C, then root fifth octave on C. Okay, so that way that I've played it just now, I'm going to play it a little bit faster. The first way that I played it was C, C sharp, D. So C, C sharp, D. And then we've got the trickier part. It's almost like a little like a bebop line. Okay, that's that. I'm getting my life together, y'all. So I put more videos out when I can. But you know, I work in education. We're just getting out for summer, and it's been a crazy few months. So yeah, man. And since I said that, I want to, and I'm making a video just sending love and God, I don't want to say cliche things to fellow educators and families down in Uvalde, Texas, and across the country, man. There are no simple answers. All I know is that we got to do better as the human community. Yeah, but so Bird, Fleece, Wayne, there it is. Man, I look a mess. Anyway, subscribe if you want to. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace. 2 fingers.